Oh, I mean, the window's down. It doesn't matter. Anyway, what's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? Back to you with another video. Another video. I told you I was gonna make a video Saturday. Today is the day, and let's get into it. We just gonna jump right in. I told you I had more parts coming, or I had to go pick up parts. So, what I got today. This might not be on the car, or I might not be installing this today. It's raining. It's a hit or miss right now. But this is for sure not going on the car today. I need a jack. I got a boost controller. 3-port boost controller by COBB. Brand new, bro. Brand new. Got it for the low. And we got this bad boy. Y'all might know what this is. Or some of y'all. I'm not sure. I didn't even know what it was until the guy told me who I bought it from. So it's pretty much it's like another drain plug. It's like a quick, easy drain plug. Instead of it having like a crazy flow and it's going one direction, it's more of a slow drip type deal. This is for Subarus. The guy has one on his car too. His new car. And I got this bad boy right here. This is what I was looking for the longest. I mean, I needed that too. That was a must before I can get the tune with all the good parts. Uh, uh, uh. I probably will try to install this today. I have, yes, sir. So, yeah, I'm doing everything in the car. I don't feel like getting out right now. I have a cold air intake now. And it's, guess what? It's COBB. So you know what that means. Stage 2. Stage 2. Maybe stage 1 plus. I don't know. But I got another, he gave me another goodie too. Here, I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna just give me a second. I gotta take it out. Take my ACCESSPORT. Oh, dang. Will it reach that far? Oh yeah, it will. I got this bad boy too. It's a 3D printed mount for your vent that's over there. As of right now, it does its job, but I'm not it's not sitting, excuse me. It's not sitting flush to me. Oh, excuse me. It's not sitting flush to me, and it's irritating me. I have another mount already. Um this mount's a hit or miss, but this one's kind of like out the way. Um so I'm gonna try to uh fiddle with this one. But that's a this is a cool little piece I would advise y'all to get. But I don't know why this one's not sitting properly. It's hot too. It was raining. I'm in the car. Car was probably like 99 degrees in here, and I hopped in, windows down. It's a beautiful day today. Kind of. It's raining. Um yeah, so all the parts I got, like I said, I was waiting for these last two parts. I still have my other parts in the trunk. I have to send off to get powder coated. I gotta find a big enough box to send it. Um that's pretty much it. I don't know if I'm gonna show a video of me installing an air intake. There's plenty of them out there. Um, that's about it, man. I'm just excited. I'm excited to either be stage 1 plus or hopefully 2, just OTS wise. Just to see the difference between stage 1 and stage 1 plus and 2 before I get a proper tune. Like I said, I was waiting for that boost controller. That was my tuner told me that's a must get before I get like a real tune, E tune, whatever you want to call it, E tune, dyno tune, whatever. He was like, "Yeah, you must get that. That's a must. I can't do nothing if you don't get that at least piece." And then I can't rock my competition J pipe without that 3-port boost controller. I don't know. My friend told me to get a fuel pump just because it's cheap. It's probably like $150 cheap. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that right now. I just kind of want to throw these on and leave the car where it's at and see what we can do. Um, oh, I got another thing too, but I know y'all don't care about this piece, but I got a gel blaster. I got another one. I have like 3 of them. This is a little M4 one. This one do damage. I like it. I like it. It's small, but it do damage. I got that for $11. That thing was 34 on Amazon. I got it for $11 with a discount code. Perfecto. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to update y'all. Like I said, I told y'all I was coming with another video. Stay tuned. Told y'all. Stay tuned for another video. Uh, I don't know. Maybe this week. Maybe it's a little. I want to say maybe I don't have no headpiece where I can do like a POV type. More like it's more of a hold the phone and let somebody record type footage. Probably gonna be happening next. I don't have the special things yet. Working on it slowly. Got to start from somewhere though. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the goodies. I'm about to see if my boy can come over and help me. If not, I'll do it myself. If not, I'll wait. It is what it is. I'm in a rush, but I'm not in a rush. I'm just excited to have the pieces. That's the biggest thing with me. I'm excited to have the pieces at least in front of me, and I get to touch them. I get to look at them. Sarah Matty Day. But without further ado, I am out this thing. It's hot in this car, and I want to get out, stretch my legs, and maybe install some parts. See ya.